In a world where staying connected is more important than ever, AirFiber emerges as a revolutionary technology that could transform how we access the internet. This wireless innovation provides high-speed connections without relying on physical cables, offering flexibility and rapid deployment. In this video, we'll explore the intricacies of AirFiber, its technical details, advantages, challenges, applications, safety concerns, and future prospects. Whether you're curious about its functionality or wondering about its safety, this guide will cover all you need to know about AirFiber. AirFiber is a groundbreaking wireless internet technology that delivers high-speed connectivity without the need for traditional underground or aerial cables. Instead of depending on physical lines like fiber optic internet, AirFiber transmits data through radio waves between fixed points. Imagine it as a virtual bridge that connects users to the internet using invisible, high-frequency signals. AirFiber relies on a network of base stations and receivers. Base stations emit radio waves in the microwave or millimeter wave spectrum, which are then captured by receivers located at the user's site. These radio waves carry data back and forth at incredible speeds, enabling seamless internet access. However, for the connection to be optimal, there must be a clear line of sight between the base station and the receiver, meaning physical obstructions like buildings or trees can impact performance. Unlike fiber cables, AirFiber uses high-frequency radio waves for data transfer. It's capable of reaching speeds up to 1.5 gigabits per second, or GBPs, making it suitable for heavy data usage like video streaming or online gaming. Can be deployed in varied geographical settings, from dense urban areas to isolated rural locations. AirFiber provides several benefits over traditional fiber optic systems. Since AirFiber eliminates the need for extensive groundwork, such as digging trenches and laying cables, it makes it faster to set up, especially in areas that have challenging terrains. The reduced reliance on physical infrastructure lowers the initial investment, making it a more affordable option for many users. AirFiber's wireless nature allows it to reach places where installing fiber optic cables would be impractical or too expensive. While innovative, AirFiber has its limitations. Rain, snow, and even fog can weaken the radio signals, leading to temporary disruptions. Because AirFiber requires an unobstructed path between the transmitter and receiver, these obstacles can degrade signal quality or can block the connection entirely. The availability of frequency bands for AirFiber is limited, and congestion in these bands can affect performance. AirFiber technology has raised questions about its safety, particularly concerning electromagnetic radiation. Electromagnetic radiation comes from radio waves, microwaves, infrared light, visible light, ultraviolet light, X-rays, and gamma rays. AirFiber uses millimeter wave technology, emitting denser electromagnetic fields, or EMF, than traditional Wi-Fi. However, they emit levels that are significantly below the recommended exposure limits. Regulatory agencies like the Federal Communications Commission, or FCC, ensure that devices comply with stringent radio frequency exposure guidelines to prevent harmful effects. AirFiber emits non-ionizing radiation, which is less harmful compared to ionizing radiation like X-rays. Health agencies, including Health Canada, confirm that radio frequency levels from devices adhering to regulations do not pose significant health threats. While no immediate risks have been proven, experts recommend precautionary steps due to limited long-term data on radio frequency exposure. The conducted power from AirFiber devices is typically under 0.4 of a watt, a level considered safe for everyday use. Ongoing research continues to monitor long-term effects, but current scientific consensus supports AirFiber's safety when used as intended. In rural or remote regions where traditional internet infrastructure is sparse, AirFiber can bridge the digital divide by delivering reliable, high-speed connectivity. It's especially valuable for communities that have long struggled with slow or non-existent internet options. AirFiber's portability and quick setup make it ideal for temporary installations. It can provide internet access at large-scale events, such as music festivals or sports tournaments, and can also be deployed in emergency scenarios, ensuring connectivity for rescue teams and affected populations. For households and businesses, AirFiber serves as a viable alternative to traditional wired connections. Fixed wireless setups can deliver comparable speeds and reliability, often at a lower cost and with faster installation times. In cities, AirFiber can complement existing fiber optic networks by filling in connectivity gaps. For example, it can connect high-rise buildings or provide backup internet solutions in case of fiber outages. AirFiber operates in the microwave and millimeter wave frequencies, which are more advanced than the older radio bands used in traditional broadcasts. These frequencies allow for faster data transfer, but are more susceptible to interference and have shorter ranges. As a result, careful planning and precision engineering are required to ensure reliable performance. Remember that weather conditions can significantly impact AirFiber's performance. Heavy rain, for instance, can absorb or scatter the radio signals, causing slower speeds or temporary service interruptions. To mitigate this, advanced signal modulation techniques and weather-resistant equipment are continually being developed. As a wireless technology, AirFiber is more vulnerable to potential signal interception than wired networks. To address this, strong encryption protocols and secure authentication methods are implemented to safeguard data transmissions. AirFiber is expected to become a key player in the rollout of fifth-generation networks. By working alongside 5G infrastructure, it can deliver even faster speeds and more reliable connectivity. This partnership will likely expand AirFiber's coverage and enhance its performance in both urban and rural areas. As AirFiber technology matures, improvements in hardware and software will make it even more efficient and resilient. For instance, innovations could reduce the impact of environmental interference or extend the range of radio signals, enabling more widespread adoption. AirFiber is not meant to replace fiber optic networks entirely. Instead, it will continue to serve as a complementary solution, offering flexibility and rapid deployment where traditional methods fall short. This dual approach ensures that more people, regardless of location, can access high-speed internet. When evaluating AirFiber as an internet solution, here are things to consider. Check if your location is within range of AirFiber base stations. Ensure there are no major obstacles that might interfere with the line-of-sight connection. Determine whether AirFiber's speed and reliability meet your requirements for activities like streaming, gaming, or remote work. Compare the costs of AirFiber with other available options to find the best fit for your budget. Ensure that the provider offers robust technical support and maintenance services. In summary, AirFiber represents a groundbreaking innovation in internet connectivity. While not intended to replace traditional fiber optic systems, its rapid deployment and adaptability make it a valuable addition to the connectivity landscape. By addressing underserved areas, adhering to stringent safety standards, and continuing to evolve, AirFiber demonstrates the potential to reshape how we connect to the internet. As technology advances, AirFiber exemplifies the ingenuity driving modern communication. Its role in bridging the digital divide and providing safe, efficient internet access highlights its importance in a world that increasingly relies on being connected. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, comment, and subscribe. Before you go, check out some of my other videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.